Hi everybody, today I will teach you how to format your data as table, how to apply a table style to your data. So I have a table here. I will select it, and then from the home tab in the styles group, you will find format as table. And from here you have many styles, and the style looks like a theme, which will apply certain group formatting to your table, like the borders, the color of the border, the filling or the fill color, the formatting of the text. So you have a group formatting altogether, a theme to your table. As you can see, every style has a name. Once you point it, you will get your name, and you have some light styles, medium, and dark styles. Whatever the style that you need to apply, just select your preferred style. And here you can select the tables that you need to apply this style to. We already selected it before. This check my table has header. When you tick this check, it means that consider that my table has a header row, which is the first row. If you untick this option, it means that my table contains only data without header row, but we have header row. And then okay. Now your table has a special style, a special theme. Not only a theme, but also you will find a new tab that comes when you apply the style, the table design tab. And from this tab, you can use any of these options to customize your table style. And actually, formatting a table is not only a format style, it has many other benefits, but we will learn them later. In the tab of table design, you can see the table name. The table takes a default name, table 1, table 2, table 3. But you cannot change this name. If you need to call your table later, you can call it with its name without the need of selecting the whole area. If I need to name it as bills, I will change the name here and then enter. So this table name is bills. When you need to call this table, you can call it by its name instead of selecting the whole table. Also, this text mean that your table has header rows. That's similar that we did. We can, if we don't have header row, we can uncheck it or we can check it back to retrieve our header row. You have banded rows. If you need to remove this banded row, you can just untick this option, and now you don't have banded row. You can also add totals row. So you have a total row here where you can apply totals. We'll learn how to apply the functions later. Also, you can apply the heading formatting for the first column. As you can see, if you have a header column, you can tick this option to format it to appear like a header. Or this can be for the last column too. If you don't need them, you just untick them. You can also apply banded columns if you need. If you don't need, just apply it. If you look at your table, once you apply the table, you will find some buttons in every column. This is called filter button, where you can filter your data. When you open it, we will talk about filter in more detail later. But just to show you what we can do using the table, you can use the filter facility. When you click on any column, you can find all the data in this column, and if you need to show specific data, you can just un unselect this, select all, and choose the data that you need to show, like that. And you can show your data again by moving to the same filter that where you applied your filter and select them all again. Every column has a filter. You can apply the filter according to any column of these. Or you can get rid of the filter button by unchecking this. So now you don't have any filter button. Also, you can change the style of your table from here, table style. You can use another style. And this is format as table. It is not only for just formatting, but it gives more benefits to your data. It can be used to apply certain options to the data. We will see them later. You will find this file in the first pinned comment under this video, or you can find it in the description section below this video, to try to apply what we did today. And also I put here another sheet with some questions so you can practice what we have done before. Thank you guys. See you next video. Bye bye.